Okay, today we're going to finish up our conversation over the Bill of Rights. We ended yesterday talking about the Seventh Amendment, so now we're going to go right in and talk about the Eighth Amendment. And I almost held up 9 fingers. I don't know why I keep doing that. Anyways, so the Eighth Amendment has 2 provisions in it. It protects you from excessive fine and bail, and it protects you from cruel and unusual punishment. Under the Constitution, the government cannot put an excessive fine on you for committing a crime or some other misdeed. If you are charged with a crime and you go through the process and you are put on trial, you cannot have a fine that is astronomical and doesn't fit whatever law you broke. If you are driving on Interstate 70 and you go 10 miles over the speed limit, like pretty much everybody does on interstates, not an admission of guilt. You cannot get a speeding ticket for $100,000 for going that far over unless you have a whole bunch of other moving violations. And if you do that, they're probably going to put you in jail of some kind, I would have to guess. But you cannot be made to pay an excessive fine because you went too fast on the road. Similarly, if you are thrown in jail, if you are arrested, you have a legal right to bail in most cases. You cannot have excessive bail. Bail is something that you do whenever you are in trouble with the court. You have to give them a set amount of money. You give them that money, and then the court gives you your freedom. And then when you are either appear at trial or your trial is over, you are given that money back because you did what you were supposed to do and show up. Now, there are cases where the courts may not allow you to have bail. If you are a flight risk, if you are someone who they're afraid is going to run away, if you're not going to show up for trial. The court system does not have to grant you bail. In a lot of cases, they won't grant you bail because they don't want to, or they're going to set your bail very high. And those are in cases of extreme certitude or in extreme cases. The court has found, and the Supreme Court has found, and the judicial system has found that that's not burdensome, that's not illegal, that's making sure that you show up for your trial, which is what bail is supposed to do. All right, we're going to go ahead and cut out of this video because I'm running out of time. In our next video, we're going to talk about the second part of the Eighth Amendment, and that is the ban on cruel and unusual punishment.